Ugh. I don't even know where to start with this assignment.
Hey, Owen, I see you're working on a nonfiction assignment. Need some help?
Yes, Ms. Johnson. I'm not sure where to find the information I need.
Well, Owen, the first step is to know what information you're looking for. What's your assignment about?
It's about famous inventors and their contributions.
Great! Knowing your topic is essential. Now, let's talk about finding that information effectively. Have you tried using the book's contents page?
You mean this page here?
Exactly. The contents page gives you a roadmap of what's inside the book. It's like a table of contents, so you can quickly see if the book covers the inventors you're interested in.
Oh, I see. So, I can use this to find the right chapters.
That's right. It helps you narrow down where to look, saving you time and effort. Now, let's take it a step further. If you want to find specific details within a chapter, you can use an index. See here? The index lists topics, names, and page numbers. So, if you're interested in Thomas Edison, you can find the page where his information is located.
That's really helpful. It's like a search engine for the book.
Exactly. Using the contents page and the index will make your research more efficient. You won't have to read the whole book cover to cover.
Thanks, Ms. Johnson. I feel much more confident now.
You're welcome, Owen. Remember, knowing what you're looking for and using these tools will make tackling nonfiction assignments a breeze. If you ever need more help, just ask.